me read this book, please?
Sure, Anthony.
All right. Birdwatch by Christie Matheson. What might you find when you go outside? Birdwatch. There are treasures hiding in the trees and on the ground and in the air. If you go outside and look carefully, you just might find them. On a beautiful morning, you just might find 10 black-capped chickadees perching in the trees. They are your first treasure. Do you see them all? Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's one right there. 9. 10. There it is. As the chickadees fly away, you might just find 9 bluebirds landing nearby. Their feathers look mostly blue, but some have orange feathers too. All right, let's see if we can count them. 1, there's 1. 2, he's behind the tree. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. If you look closely, you just might find 8 sparrows hiding near the ground. Make a wish and whoosh! Blow on the dandelions. All right, let's see. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then hiding in the tree, 8. It's a seed feast. Oh yeah, they got lots of food flying in the air. As a few raindrops fall, you might just find 7 wrens singing. Try to spy their stripy tails. Let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, there's 3 in the tree, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. While the wrens take cover, you just might find 6 robins looking for worms. Aha! One has a worm in her beak already. And there she is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. When the blue sky returns, you just might find 5 sunny yellow warblers. What is 1? Could there be more? Turn the page and you just might find, there's just one on this page, another warbler. Now there are 2, but where are the other 3? Yeah, there they are, 1, 2. While you wait for more warblers, you just might find a bee, a spider, a red ladybug, a delicate dragonfly, and a slimy banana bug. All right, let's see. There's the bee. There's the spider. A red ladybug, there it is. A delicate dragonfly, right there. And a slimy banana slug, there he is. We found him. As the slug slinks along, you just might find 4 doves cooing. Count them quietly, shh, so you don't scare them away. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Near the brightest flowers, you just might find 3 hummingbirds hovering. They are searching for nectar to sip. Oh yeah, there they are. 1, 2, 3. While the hummingbirds snack, mice scurry about. How many can you see? Oh, I see 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, you just might find 2 hawks eyeing those mice. Oh, there they are, 1, 2. The hawks are soaring away. Can you see the hummingbird who zipped up to tease them? Oh, there he is. She is tiny, and the hawks just found that she is very brave. When the sky grows darker, you just might find 1 more beautiful bird. Who could it be? Oh, I see some eyes. Turn the page to see. That's who! Most of the birds are sleeping now, though the owl may be up all night. But if you look again in the morning, you just might find the treasure you've been waiting for. Oh, look at the little baby birds. Well, that was a great story, everybody. We'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye! It's all right. Goodbye.